In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trade Bitcoin in TradingView using paper trading so you can practice safely. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to your chart screen and use the search bar to find BTCUSD, then select it to load the Bitcoin chart. Now, scroll down and open the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. From there, choose paper trading and click connect to activate your demo account. Once connected, look for the trade or buy button on your chart. Click on it and an order panel will appear where you can enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to trade. After setting your order details, click buy to place your trade. Your position will now appear on the chart and you can track how it performs in real time. Since this is paper trading, you can practice as much as you want without risking real money and even reset your account anytime. That's it. Now you know how to trade BTC USD in TradingView. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.